it's a positive affirmation of what our young people are about. It negates all of the stereotypes associated with our young African American males, and of course we encourage and try to motivate our kids to go on to pursue higher education.
It's a 12-week program, and we meet on Sundays, and we have workshops set up for the young men in which they come in, they'll learn different skills and they'll learn different perspectives to help them throughout life. And then we wrap up the program with the Affair of Honor, as you saw today.
In my opinion, one's legacy is not determined by the great things he accomplishes. It is not defined by any means of merit or accrued wealth. The status which one acquires and the power that he comes to hold are all meaningless in the end. The impact, the mark that one leaves on this planet is best measured by one question. What did you do to influence others? It is in this very question and its answer that determines whether a man gets statues erected in his honor or curses wished upon his family in disgrace. It is quite literally the defining factor that lands one in the Hall of Fame or the crypt of infamy.
This program has taught me so much, so many valuable life lessons, everything from etiquette to how to be responsible in certain situations and how to be respectful and other essential life goals. And I think it's a very important program within this community, and I think the continuity of it is invaluable.
The Acheivers experience has been very eye-opening, from heritage trips in Wilmington, learning so much about our history within Wilmington, how much people have changed that area, and from meeting other fellow Acheivers of African American race has just inspired me.
My first impression of this program was, am I in the right place? Within us we have aspiring doctors, lawyers, engineers, professional athletes, financial consultants, producers, and even film directors. The class of 2014 Acheivers is a diverse group consisting of many different backgrounds, but we have one common goal, and that is to fulfill our dreams.
The program, it showed me a lot. It showed me just being a mature young man, and not only just a young man, but an African American man, and empowerment with oneself, and doing with public speaking, and just getting like a hold of being a young man and then doing something great in the community, and it just really helped. It's a really good program.
Convictus, out of the night that covers me, black as a bit from pole to pole. I thank whatever gods may be for my incomparable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not wished or cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but I'm bowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of shade. And yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am master of my fate. I am captain of my soul. With me,
As young men, we can appreciate the multiple life lessons that the Acheivers program has provided for us. All the events leading up today does not compare to tonight's event. The Affair of Honor brings us joy to all the family and friends who have joined us in helping us along our journey.